next concept is talking for what? Is talking for adding and subtracting algebraic fraction. Don't worry, it's not difficult, and we will solve more and more from my past paper exam question. Okay, after finishing our explanation. So, now that we know how to simplify algebraic fraction, let's move on to next concept, which is about adding and subtracting algebraic fraction. It's not difficult. This topic is actually very similar to adding and subtracting ordinary fractions. Do you remember? If you have fraction, like what? Like 2 over 3 plus 7 over 3. How can I solve it? Remember? Huh? If it was common denominators here, I will put my denominator and add my numerators. 2 plus 7 gonna be 9. Okay? So here, look, it has common denominator, so I can add or subtract numerators. Very good. If it was 2 over 3 minus or plus, it doesn't make any difference in my explanation here, 7 over 5. Do you remember how can I do that? The most easier way. Who can tell me? Here, I just make what? I make my circle. First, multiply the denominator together, finding common factor. Yeah, right, common denominator here. So how can I do that? I will write 3 multiply 5, gonna be 15. So I will put my new denominator as 15 here and 15 here. And then I have to make what? I have to make cross. Do you remember? Year 6, huh? 5 multiplied by 2, gonna be 10. 3 multiplied by 7, gonna be 21. Then add. I have common denominator, put your denominator, and make what in the numerator? Add 10 plus 21. I write it in very detail. So 10 plus 21 gonna be 31 over 15, and you finished your question. So here, look, because it's very important step here. If you don't have common denominator, get one for yourself. How? With our ordinary way. So concentrate because I have to tell you about it here. If you have algebraic expression, it's easy, it doesn't make any difference. Look, we have 1 over x plus 2. Here is plus 7 over x plus 2. I will not have a panic. I will look for what? I will look for the denominators. Look at my denominators. I have x plus 2 and x plus 2. They're common. Yeah, very good. So I can make what? I can put the common denominator here, x plus 2. And what I have to do in the numerators, I will add 1 plus 7. It's gonna be 8 over x plus 2. So it's recording to what? It's recording to this example. Okay, now if they are not common, how can I do that? Look, like what? Like I will make it one very, very easy. 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 5. Look at your denominator. Are they common? No, they are not common. So I have to know what? I have to take common denominators. How can I take my common denominators? I will make the denominators down and I will write it here. How can I do that? Like it was here. Here I multiplied all the denominators together. Now I have to multiply the all denominators together. So I will multiply x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5. Easy? Very easy. And now I have to make what? Look at here. Here I make cross. Yeah, make your cross. 1 multiplied by x plus 5. Gonna be what? Gonna be x plus 5. And there is x plus 2 multiplied by 1. Gonna be what? Gonna be x plus 2. What is the sign inside them, between them? it was plus, put it plus. Easy? Very easy. Now you have to make what? You have to start to simplify. We have like terms, x and x, so gonna be 2x. We have like terms, 5 and 2, gonna be 7. Over the same denominator, x plus 2, multiplied by x plus 5. I hope you get it. Any problem here? Any problem? Any question? Any problem? Huh? Could you repeat? Okay, I will repeat it again. Here, I have two algebraic expression, and sometimes we have two conditions. Look, what about my two conditions? The first one, two algebraic expression with common denominator, and the other one, two algebraic expression or fraction without common denominator. Here, look, it's easy, don't worry. If you have some kind of question like that, 2 over x plus 5 minus 1 over x plus 5. Look at your denominator. If it was common, put your denominator down, which is x plus 5, and deal with the numerator. 2 minus 1. It's gonna be 1 over x plus 5, and you finished. Okay? Next one. Next way. How can I do that? If I have some kind of fractions like that, like x plus 5, and here is x minus 7, and here is 7, and here is 3, anything here, and minus in the middle. How can I do that? As the ordinary fractions. If you have 2 over 5 minus 1 over 7, how can you do that? You have to make what? You have to get common denominator. How can I get my common denominator? I want to multiply all the denominators together, right? 5 multiply 7 gonna be 35. So I will write the new denominator as 35. And then we have to make what? We have to make cross. Multiply 7 by 2 gonna be 14. 5 multiplied by 1 gonna be 5. And in the middle is negative as it was here. So 14 minus 5 gonna be 9 over 35, and you finished. It's the same here. Look, you don't have common denominator. So you will start to make your new denominator as what? As the product of both of them. You have to multiply both of them together. So here it's going to be x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 7. Then you have to make what? You have to multiply x minus 7, the denominator all here, multiplied by 7. So it's going to be 7 multiplied by x minus 7. And here 3 multiplied by x plus 5. And what in the middle? The same sign. It was negative, put negative here. But don't forget to make it with big fraction, with big bracket like that. So it's going to be 7x multiplied by 49. And here is minus. Look, open your bracket. 3 multiplied by x is going to be 3x. 3 multiplied by 5 is going to be 15. Plus in the middle. And here, my denominator, I didn't change it. X plus 5, x minus 7. Then, continue up. Here, 7x minus 49. Deal with this negative. Negative multiplied by 3x is going to be negative 3x. Negative multiplied by 15, negative 15. And down, the same. I didn't change anything down. X minus 7. Then look it up. We have like terms 7x and minus 3x. It's gonna be 4x. Here minus 49 minus 15. So you have to make what? Minus 49 minus 15. You have to add and put the sign minus 49 minus 15, you will get what? You will get 64 over x plus 5. Here is x minus 7. Who get it? Anyone? Okay. Now, is there any other thing? Yeah, there is. Look, we have 4 as a common denominator. Take the 4 here out. 4x divided by 4 is going to be x. Minus 64 divided by 4 is going to be 16. Then you finished your question. Don't forget to put the denominator. I factorized it fully. So, did you get it? Any problem? So, let's take our golden rule. How can I solve it? How can I solve adding and subtracting with my golden rule? Golden rule, or how to solve? Easy, don't worry. Here, first step we find what? We found lowest common denominator. Lowest common denominator. And then we have to make what? Rewrite each fraction using the lowest common denominator. Okay? So, rewrite each fraction with the new denominator. And then you have to make what? Now, both fractions have the same denominator. Add or subtract the numerator. Add or subtract numerators. Okay? Any problem? Step 4. You have to make what? Step 4? Simplify your answer. So look at my golden rule. Here, lowest common denominator. Rewrite each fraction with new denominators, of course. Add or subtract numerators. And finally, you have to simplify. Any problem? Any question here? We will get to the next concept. Next concept? Okay. So we finished adding and subtracting. And the most important thing here is to make what? The most important thing here is to make your common denominator. It's very, very, very important. So let's try to take the next concept. Look at here. What's my next concept? Yeah, my next concept is multiplying and dividing algebraic fraction. Okay?